What is she doing?
Greeting. She greeted everyone with a wave of her hand.
What are they doing?
Negotiating. They are negotiating the terms of the deal.
What is he doing?
Supervising. He is supervising the team on the project.
What is he doing?
Resolving. He is resolving an official bargain at the office.
What is she doing?
Proposing. She is proposing an idea to her colleagues.
What is she doing?
Documenting. She is documenting the details.
What is she doing?
Briefing. She is briefing her colleague on the project.
What is he doing?
Motivating. He is motivating his colleagues to reach their goals.
What is she doing?
Prioritizing. She is prioritizing her tasks for the day.
What is he doing?
Evaluating. He is evaluating tasks for his improvement.
What is he doing?
Budgeting. He is budgeting using a calculator.
What is he doing?
Reporting. He is reporting the office's progress.
What are they doing?
Planning. They are planning the future of the office.
What is she doing?
Counseling. She is counseling a team member.
What are they doing?
Recruiting. They are recruiting an employee. Did you learn anything new from the video? Tell us in comment.